Hey, cutie. I'm gonna go get my car. Look at that. Hope you guys can see me, but what's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. We're gonna go and get my car because we're gonna be going to a Cars and Coffee. So it's been a while since we've been to one of those, and it's been getting bigger and bigger. And this time my girlfriend's gonna come, and so is Gotham. For starters, clean the wheels. Let's get a cold start real quick, because why not? I'm also using a new GoPro Hero 8. So I think it's shooting at 4K. I'm not sure. I'm still getting used to it. I mean, a GoPro's a GoPro. It shoots it's pretty easy to use. Yeah, 4K, 30 wide. Dude, I've been messing with this like all day, and this is really nice. So I hope I'm able to get used to this, because I usually don't vlog with the GoPro, but because my girl decided to get this for my anniversary, I was like, you know what? GoPro Hero 8, oof. Let's get it. Oh, he's catching up, brothers. Look, it's Gotham and Myra. Hi, Gotham.
Hollywood's Wonder Kid.
This is not dog abuse, guys. My dog gets really hyper when he sees people. Gotham, are you okay? You ready to go? You ready to go? Let's go. You got him?
I didn't get his leash.
You took it off? For sure. Oh. Dude, look at that. That's sick. I was just trying to get a rolling shot. Oh. So like, I think I got it. Awesome. Victor got a lot bigger here, huh?
So sorry.
Yeah,
It got a lot bigger.
from
like, well, he only came like maybe 3 times, but it got a lot bigger. It's everything. Dude, relax.
I'm trying.
Let's just go walk around. Oh my God, dude, relax. Over here. Come on. He's like, I'm ready to go. Maybe he needs some pee-pee? You want me to hang on to a bag?
What bag?
Never mind. Look at that. Look at the other puppies. Hey, I'm not the only K20 here. Dude, sorry. No, you're fine. I'm just like admiring everything.
I can't even see right now.
What do you mean?
My eyes are just blurry.
Do you want me to hang on to him?
No, it's okay. I can hold him.
Make a left.
Look, he's trying so hard.
Babe, signal. You need to make a left.
Okay, Gotham. Come on, you're my signal.
Gotham, signal. So I'm really curious on how this is gonna look, because it has the hyper smooth on, so it's pretty much gonna be stabilizing everything. But there you go. Oh, Hector's coming.
Mine does it now.
What's up? Oh, he pooped? God damn it. I'll be right back. Gotham's making friends. I'm telling, I was telling Vic right now, there's just a lot more people. Let's go say hi to these guys over there. Gotham, let's go. You ready? No, that doesn't mean run. Come here. GTR. Classics. That's nice. Hold him because I don't know how he's going to react to Charlie. Hi! Are you excited too?
Yeah. He loves people.
Does she? She has a collar. Oh, so cute. I was telling Victor, and I'm pretty sure Heck is gonna realize, this got a lot bigger.
It did.
It used to just be like right there. Now it's everywhere.
Yeah. I had to flex on you guys and park next to you.
Good. That's why we parked there. What?
Where are we going?
We're just walking around.
I want coffee.
Go get some coffee. Oh, look at that one.
Oh, that was so cool.
Oh, look, Victor. You see what I see?
Yeah.
Hector, I see where you're going.
Yep.
Wow.
I'm gonna walk.
Yeah. Please don't crash. Yeah, I saw the intercooler. Come on, take off, do it. He's not gonna do it. He's not gonna do it. He's risking it. Rip him?
The shipping cards.
Stop.
Hey. Oh. Really?
The Subaru tried racing me that
That's so funny.
So I will.
Fucking ice cream truck. Oh, that was great. Come on, Gotham.
First thing is solid.
Look at that, bub.
This Evil's always racing on my street.
I've seen this one before around. Fucking crazy.
Like that car.
I know, right? The classic one? Yeah.
See, I like classic.
No, that's why I like coming here, because you see everything. Like yes, a GTR is great, but a classic is a classic.
I don't know what you're eating.
What are you? No. She's licking tape.
No.
RD Engineering. This is the V6.
It's got a Honda motor in it.
Is it the fucking J series?
Yeah.
That one's clean. This has nothing over what Andre has on his. Oh, dude, that's a nice M series.
That's fast.
That's my favorite M series. Like, that's the one I want. That's also the hardest one to come by. I'm curious what he has underneath his engine. He has fucking, look at the tires and the rears. I'm curious. Right here. It's clean.
I'm walking behind you.
He insists.
Here's your booger.
That's all you need, Victor's a wide body.
Hold on, That's cute.
Say that as he's pulling away from you.
All right, so we're gonna. The thing is, we wait until all the more parts leave, and then I turn on my car. Mine sounds like a vacuum compared to everybody here.
GTR though.
Oh yeah.
Hey,
That's,
mine doesn't even sound like anything.
Yeah, but yours is stock, and it's probably the most reliable one here.
That's true.
We're still down to caps.
Brand new.
Put that bitch in sport mode and call it a day.
Golf. That wasn't too bad. It was quiet, but it's fun. We're probably gonna go hit the comic book shop. Yeah, I decided to just park right there, just to make it easier. So if there's any problems, they'll call me versus looking for you, you know. So, but this was mainly just motherfucking Gotham. But yeah, GoPro Hero 8. I wanted to test it out and see how you guys like it. So whatever, guys. I'll see you guys in another video. You guys have a good day. Peace.